Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a different kind of video. This one is like kind of random and like weird, but today I'm gonna be dyeing my hair. So I'm gonna be dyeing it like a dark kind of blue color, so I don't really know how well that's gonna go because my hair's still kind of red from when I last dyed it. It's from L'Oreal. It's this one. It's kind of like bluey, but I don't really know, to be honest. Got my bowl here and ingredients, and I'm gonna start mixing. Dyed my hair so many times before, and it's like kind of gone alright. Like I've ombre'd it before. I've dyed it like completely red, but never gone blue. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, let's do this. Step 1: make sure your hair's brushed. This is what happens when I brush my hair. Yep, pretty, and also my fringe right now is growing out, so like I know it looks bad. Ow! Just brush my pimple. Gonna mix this one in. Why did I smell that?
I feel like a scientist.
It smells so bad, I'm turning the fan on. Ooh, I thought it would be purple, but it's like yellow. Oh, I think I'm gonna get poisoned. Oh my god, okay. It looks like slop. Why are man's buttons on the wrong side? And I'm just gonna... Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. That looks so...
Ew!
I'm running out of hair dye. Look. It's literally all over me. Cool. Now we wait. I'm gonna wait like this for half an hour. It's kind of stinging my ears, which is not good, but I'm gonna put a tiny bit in my eyebrows for like 2 minutes just so like it matches my hair a bit. Like it's not gonna go blue, don't worry. Also, all my hairs are like kind of coming out. Do you see this? Ew. Oh, I can't stop the recording. I'll do it with my nose. Ready? I'm about to wash it off. All of my hands are stained from the dye. Look at that. I hope that comes off. Anyway, it's all over my neck. Oh yeah, also my neck's peeling really bad. It's going all over my face. Oh my god, this is never gonna come out. I just found these like 3 white dots on my face. I'm about to dry my hair and you guys can see what it looks like. I'm a little bit scared, but we'll see. Hey guys, I'm back and it is kind of blue. Like, I don't know, it's kind of black more than blue. We'll see once it dries. Do you like my hair? Do you like it? Do you like my hair? There's like 400,000 sections on the back of my hair, which is like still brown. So, do you like it? Yep. Do you like it? Literally all of that is still brown. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to give it a thumbs up for me ruining my hair. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.